Imagine, if you will, a time when colossal creatures roamed the earth, their thunderous footsteps echoing through the dense primeval forests. These were the dinosaurs, magnificent beings from a bygone era, as diverse as the stars in the sky. Among them, the T-Rex, a titan among titans, stood tall and mighty. Now let's entertain a whimsical thought. What if we could cradle a T-Rex hatchling in our arms, raise it, and call it our pet? A fascinating notion indeed, but one fraught with challenges. The T-Rex, you see, was not a creature of small stature or mild temperament. It was a behemoth, a living, breathing embodiment of raw power and primal instincts. Imagine a creature the size of a school bus, its every need demanding resources beyond our comprehension. Our domesticated companions of today, dogs and cats, have evolved alongside us, their behaviors shaped by centuries of cohabitation. But a T-Rex, with its wild instincts untamed by time and human influence, would be a stranger in our world. Caring for a T-Rex would be no small feat. It would require a diet we could scarcely provide, a habitat far larger than our homes, and a level of care that would rival that of our most endangered species. The T-Rex, with its towering stature and voracious appetite, would find our modern world confining. It belonged to an era where it could roam free, interact with its own kind, and live as nature intended. In conclusion, while the idea of a pet T-Rex may ignite our imaginations, it is a dream best left in the realm of fantasy. These majestic creatures were born of the wild, and to the wild they should return. But fear not, for we can still marvel at their grandeur through the pages of books, the frames of films, and the hallowed halls of museums.